Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we talk about stocks, mainly Canadian dividend investment. In today's video, we will have a walkthrough of my Simple portfolio and then we'll also see how much dividends I have earned in the month of October. So stay tuned and don't forget to watch the video till the end. In my Simple, I have three accounts, a personal, a crypto and a TFSA. In this channel, I normally discuss about my TFSA account, but today I will just go through the personal and crypto just to show you how many positions I have in these two accounts. In my personal account, I have CP Rail and Nutrien Limited. One share of Nutrien with a gain of 12.76%. CP Rail, I have 35 shares with a gain of 3.80%. I bought CP shares before the split and in recent months the price really went down. Currently it is trading at $95.47, but it did went down to the range of $82 to $83. But because of some financial issues I was not able to add more into it. That was the right time to add more stocks of CP Rail. Both these shares are kept with long term in mind and so I will be adding more into it as I have enough money saved. Overall, if you look at the gain, I have around 4% of gain for the 1 year period. For 3 month period also it is around the same level, but for the 1 month it is at 11%. And as I said earlier, the CP shares did pick up in the last 1 month and that is the reason why I have a very good returns in this 1 month. Now let's look at the crypto account. I have three coins here: Bitcoin, Ethereum and Doge. I started off with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as there were hype over Doge, I bought 400 coins of Doge. If you see the returns of all these three coins, they are massive. Currently crypto coins are booming. So if we look at the chart for 1 year gains, it is around 42%, 33% for the 3 month period. For the 1 month period, I have 13%, not much difference in the last 1 week. I do have $200 in my account, not sure when and what coin I will be buying. Yesterday Shiba was added into the list of available coins and it seems like people were so eager to buy into Shiba that it broke Simple's order system. People were not able to buy Shiba and they had to send out a notice. All looks good now. Shiba is doing good today, 21% up in the past 24 hours. Now let's look at the main account, the TFSA. The TFSA account is worth $11,548 with an all-time gain of 17%. That is around $1,655 of in gain. For the last 3 months, it is 7% increase, whereas for the last 1 month, it is 5% of gain. 2 and 1% for 1 week and past day respectively. Now let's look at different stocks that I own in my portfolio. For those who have seen my portfolio before, I have not added any new holdings last month. I will quickly go through the list one by one, starting with Algonquin Power and Utility Corp. This is a renewable energy utility stock. I have 16 shares, a very good company. However, for the past 1 to 2 months, the stock is a bit down. For me, it's down by almost 8%. The next one in the list is Bell Canada with a profit of 8%. After that, I have BMO. As I have mentioned previously, I bought this stock during the COVID crash of March 2020. Since this I bought at a rock bottom price, I now have a very good returns. In fact, 100% returns. They also have very good dividend yield. The next is CIBC Bank. I only have one share and it's almost 20% high. The financial sector is high now, so I won't be buying it this year, but definitely want to increase the count from 1 to double digits. Another stock that I have is Canadian Natural Resource, 20 shares with almost 50% of increase. I have 4 shares of Canadian National Railway and they are also giving a very high return. I only have 4 shares as of now. Canoe Income Fund. I added this in my portfolio only for monthly dividends. No complaints as I see returns along with dividends. 11.3% return is good for this stock. I have 20 shares in my portfolio. The next big stock I have is Enbridge, my favorite stock of all time and one of the first stock that I owned. I have 43 shares with a current growth rate of 13%. Imperial Oil, 9 shares with 20% gain. Next is Keyera, another oil and gas company with 16% of profit. The next stock is one that was doing well a couple of months back, but now it is undergoing a dip. Labrador Iron Ore. I have 13 shares, currently it's down by 7%. If you look at this stock in detail, the 1-year chart shows that it had a very good run initially and by August it started declining. That is, in the last 3 months, it came down from $49 to today's $35. I like this stock, so I would consider this as a good time to add more and will be adding more. This has a very high yield of 19% and it's mainly because the prices went down recently and so the yield became high. I believe when I bought the stock, the yield was not this high though. The next stock in the list is Manulife, currently trading at around similar price as my book cost, so another stock that I can add more. Pembina Pipeline, 13 shares with 12% gain. QQC, this is a Nasdaq tracking ETF that is traded in TSX. It's a recently started ETF and this is my first exposure to US market. This will be my primary ETF going forward. Ryokan and Smart Centers are the 2 REITs I have, both in profit of 15 and 20% respectively. TransAlta Renewables, another renewable utility stock. Just like AQN, this one is also in red for me. Not much, but just around 3% down. XIU is S&P TSX 60 ETF, almost 25% growth so far. I have 5 shares but will be soon adding more. Even though I have not added any new stock, I sold one last month. That is SIA, Sienna Senior Living. I was not sure whether this fits my portfolio. There was a lawsuit against this company and I was doubtful. So sold this and added the money into other stocks. Now let's look at the dividends earned for the month of October. Imperial Oil, $2.43. CNQ, $9.4. QQC, 5 cents. Ryokan, 88 cents. Keyera, $1.44. Pembina, $2.73. Smart Centers, $1.54. AQN, $3.39. BCE, $2.63. EIT, $2. SIA, even though I sold the stock before October 15th, I did receive 62 cents as dividends. Labrador Iron Ore, the biggest dividend for the month, that is $21. CIBC, 1 share with $1.46 and TransAlta with $1.33. So this month a total of $50.90. Here is the chart of all the dividends from inception. Since most companies provide quarterly dividends, the October numbers should be compared with July number. And here there is a good improvement and mostly because of Labrador Iron Ore's $21 dividend. The September-June quarter is where I received most dividends and that is mainly because of Enbridge. The aim here is to bring the dividends of other months also to $50 mark. So that is from my side for today. If you enjoyed my content, please like the video, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. That will help a lot. I appreciate all your support.